As the vaccine rollout proceeds, more details about who will be next in line to receive inoculations after healthcare workers. The next group should include seniors, along with teachers and grocery store employees who may be among those at highest risk for exposure. NBC's Aaron McLaughlin has more on this. Hey, Aaron, good morning.
Good morning, Hoda. A CDC panel has recognized grocery store workers and teachers as essential frontline workers, a designation that includes approximately 30 million Americans. For those working hard in America's classrooms and shopping aisles, the announcement brings much-needed relief. Grocery store workers have seen us through the darkest days of the pandemic. Despite the threat of sickness, they ensure we have access to life's essentials.
It's been really scary knowing that every day we're at the front line there, being exposed.
A CDC panel recommends these workers will be among those next in line to receive a COVID vaccine.
What does the vaccine mean to you?
It's important. We are there every day. It's not only going to keep us safe, it's not only going to keep our families safe.
You're among the first Americans to receive it.
We should be.
Sales manager Esther Lopez says 3 of her coworkers at Ralph's have gotten sick. One had to be put into a medically induced coma. Grocery stores made more dangerous by belligerent customers who refuse to follow the rules.
You're a bunch of idiots wearing masks. You know it's not real.
But even as masks, plexiglass barriers, and socially distanced lines have become standard, researchers say these safeguards can only do so much. One person's cough potentially spreads virus particles several aisles over. The Food and Commercial Workers Union says more than 17,000 grocery workers have been infected or exposed to the virus, leading to at least 109 deaths.
One store in Southern California, 21 grocery workers were infected. In Seattle, we had one store where 10 grocery workers were infected. In one case, we had a supervisor at one of our stores in Seattle that actually died on the floor from COVID.
Teachers will also be among the next group to get the vaccine. High school Spanish teacher Sarah Weifels lost a colleague to COVID.
I certainly hope that prioritizing teachers for the vaccine is a bit of a signal of our society showing the value that educators do hold.
Distribution details are still being worked out. Until then, frontline workers can only wait and worry.
We're just sitting there like sitting ducks. What's going to happen next? Who's going to be next? When I go home and I'm going to work and I'm thinking, am I bringing it home?
According to the union president, in some cases, they're going to have the pharmacy inside the store distribute the vaccines to grocery store employees. They're pushing for stores to give employees time off to get vaccinated, and they're pushing for the vaccines to be offered free of charge. They're also urging the public to make fewer trips to the store so there aren't as many people going in and out.